Applitop, a company specializing in the development of geospatial applications, has developed an all-in-one solution for all types of surveying and civil engineering projects, TcpMDT. Used by thousands of professionals around the world, TcpMDT enables users to carry out everything from terrain modeling of a plot of land to the preparation of road and urban planning projects. TcpMDT runs as a plugin on GStarCAD and allows each user to work in the simplest possible way. The software starts working with coordinate files obtained by total stations or GNSS receivers. You can also directly import projects from most field applications. A digital model is built from points and break lines that are drawn automatically or defined interactively. The application also generates contour lines. Profiles and cross-sections are drawn quickly, in the style selected by the user. The software allows users to calculate cut and fill volumes from difference of surfaces, grids or profiles. The results can be printed or exported to text, Excel and Word formats. Terrain can be visualized in 3D in different ways, enabling the analysis of elevations, slopes, orientations, visibility and virtual reality simulation. The professional version is ideal for the entire range of surveying projects, including roads, residential developments and quarries. As well as offering advanced land modeling functions, it provides the user with tools for designing alignments and road sections, drawing project profiles, generating area and volume reports, displaying virtual tours and so much more. The software also exports points, break lines, alignments and cross-sections data for stake-out using surveying instruments. Our software allows you to work with the most common file formats on the market, with data easily integrated into CAD, GIS or BIM projects. And there is no NAED for any strict order of procedure, which means you can start work with greater flexibility. The main users of this application are public administration, construction companies, engineering firms, architecture, urban planning, earthwork companies, quarry operations, mining, the environment, independent professionals. In short, TcpMDT is a powerful and easy-to-use application for carrying out all types of surveying projects.